So for I int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Okay. So what I will do, I will print system dot out. I'll write down system dot out dot println of system dot out dot println of I. So now what happened? If you see here,
10 numbers
10 numbers will be printed from 0. 0
lesser than 10.
less than 10. So when I say 1 and less than or equal to 10, it prints again 10 numbers, but starts with the
With 1.
1. But starts with the 1.
1.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. So now, if you observe here, I want to print only even numbers. Okay. So what I will do, if I percentage 2 double equal to 0 means if it is division by, if it is divided by 2, then only you print. Otherwise, you don't print.
Okay.
So now what I'm saying, run as Java application. So what happened? Only even numbers it printed. No, what do you want to do? You want to print odd numbers also. When you are printing odd numbers, you need to say this is odd number. So now I'm concatenating the text with the I. So is odd number. Odd number. That's what you are doing there. Okay. So now here we'll say it is, what is this? Even number. Is even number. Okay. So now we'll see. Oh, see here. This is odd number. This is E number, even number. So now we will give proper spacing convention so that you will see the output also. Yeah. So now we. So what is odd number? One is a even number. One is odd number. One is even number. One is odd number. One is even number. Correct.
Okay.
So if now I will show you one more point here. I can put an breakpoint. Okay. This is called breakpoint. No, not that one. This is a debugging option. Okay. This is a debugging option. So now what we will do, run as debug as Java application. So this is a breakpoint we applied. It will go into normal debug mode rather than a debug mode, normal mode. It will go into debug mode. So initially, what is I value? You can see in the memory how it runs. Okay, step by step. Step by step we can see here. So step by step, if you see what happens, I is 1 was there. So now I percentage 2, whether it is I is even number or odd number, where it will go? If condition it will go or else condition it will go.
If it is even, if it is odd, else.
No, now I is 1, where it will go?
Okay, odd.
Odd. Okay. So now we will go. So now it will go to I.
Okay. 11 line.
Now what we'll say? Okay. Now it printed. Now it will print the value. 1 is odd. Okay. Now again it went. Now again what I became 2. Okay. So I 2 percentage 2. Whether it is divided, like whether it is division, whether it is divisible by 2. Yes, divisible by 2, and remainder is 0. Okay. So now what happens? 2 is a even number. Yeah. Now again I became 3. Why I became 3? I plus plus it is, right?
Yes.
So 3 percentage 2. What is the answer? 1. So it doesn't satisfy this condition. It comes to which one? It comes to the else condition. So 3 is the. So again like that, I is 4. 4 divisible by 2. So that's why 4 is even. So now when comes to 5 percentage, 5 reminders. What is the remainder when you divide 5 by 2? It is 1. right?
Huh.
So it will not satisfy this condition. It will go to else condition again. So 6 percentage 2 is 0. Yes, 6 divisible by 0 and it is 0. So 6 is a even number. So in the same way, in this way, like that, until 10, the loop goes on.
Okay.
So this is how we debug in Java program. So debugging is very,
Can
very,
you show break statement also, sir? Like
yeah. I'll show you that. I'll show you. So now what you want to do rather than this, we will go back to our Java mode. We will copy this. Okay. So 1 second.